So we're going to have a recap of the last lesson today. So first thing we did was we had a look at the rudiments that we started last week. So your single strokes were really good, really consistent. So that was good to see. We also had the doubles. And a paradiddle. That was sounding really good. You were consistent with it, you were slow enough in your practice, and that's really good to see. And it will take time, but we'll get there on the speed, which is good. So yeah, just keep practicing those. Maybe think about them, around the kit. And, try and think a bit like that. So the first beat that we looked at in the last lesson was the 16th note beat. So we've been playing that it's the simple way, and then we've got the off beat, which is so keep playing that. We talked about the sort of accenting the fours, so just to give it a bit of drive. So we keep practicing that. It's a really good one to sort of work on. We then looked at how we could start thinking of that a bit differently. So playing it with one hand, so a little bit slower, but. And it gives it a completely different feel to how for how we're playing it. So it's a really good one to think about. We can play it two-handed. We can play it with the one hand on the hat. Play around with that and just try and think of the different subdivisions of the hi-hat, the 16ths, and how we can incorporate them with two hands or one hand. Just try and think about that. So then the first real challenge of the last lesson was the open hi-hat, and as I said, we're making sure that that's a really crisp sound, and we're shutting it. So in the context of the beat that we were doing, we were opening it on the 4 and, so right at the end of the bar. So. So practice that. Also think about how you can start opening that on different beats, different parts of the bar. So just try and get used to that. We also talked about keeping that as a sort of a time keeping device. So when we're doing those fills, get this going. So when you're practicing your fills, do start thinking about keeping that going. So keeping that going. It's really good to start building up the independence. So then the other thing that we we looked at in the lesson was this kind of shuffle feel. So playing the same sort of normal rock beat, but instead of playing it straight, so 1, 2, playing it sort of in a shuffle swung kind of style. So we then realised that we needed some different kind of fills to go with that, and we talked about the triplet. So, and it kind of fits with that beat then. We talked about sticking that slightly differently, so maybe triplet, triplet. So, you know, get that groove down and then start thinking about how we can get that kind of triplet feel going in the fills. You can also start thinking about maybe leading with the bass drum a bit, so keeping this try and think of some, you know, some different triplet fills. So maybe, you know, hands like a flam, 2 on the bass drum. So try and play around with that this week and work out how we're going to add sort of triplets and get that going into that shuffle groove. And then just finally, we looked at the sort of John Bonham kind of fill, so the triplet and combinations of the hands and the feet. The one that we looked at first was right. So really try and practice that right-left foot grouping this week. Try and really work on that this coming week, because it's really good to start bringing the foot in to those kind of grooves. So.